Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sara TV. Yeah, first off, I hope you guys had great holidays. I celebrated Christmas and I didn't get any presents. Yeah, and I hope you guys had a great New Year's Eve. Welcome to the new decade. Welcome to 2020. Before we start, we reached 1000 subs and I'm so proud and I'm so happy that it's happening so fast, which means of course new videos for you guys. And I took the time to think about and get inspirations of what this channel is going to be like. I mean, I was just starting with my hairstyle idea because my hair was just here and it's actually just, of course, just only one part of myself. I'm not just interested in hair. And because of the subs, because of the growth of my channel, I decided definitely to share more of my interests with you here. I'm planning to open up to spread wider the varieties of topics on my channel. It's not going only to be about my hair, but I'm so thankful for that. So let's start with a new fresh haircut at the beginning of 2020. And yes, you guys, you know what? I just heard the bob hairstyle is going to be very huge this year, and what a coincidence that I'm already wearing a bob. And I totally understand, I totally get it why it's so trendy this year, because I'm totally on the wave of getting a hairstyle that is easy to style and still looks good. But I'm actually thinking about growing it out. But before that, I want to cut it very straight. So today it's going to be about a blunt bob. I'm going to chop my ends completely off, like cutting out the past. And I saw in a video, the lady on the video, she said to do it like this, separate the back here. This is how I call it, because I don't actually know the English vocabulary, the exact vocabulary for that. Yes, and then I'm going to separate this part here. So we have the annoying hair out of our way when we are going to start with the back. Oh, this is so cute already! Brauche ich noch ein Haargummi? Das kann nicht sein. Eine Haarklammer. Look, you see it down, I mean. I have to get these tendrils. I can use this one that I have in my head. Look at it. It's so quiet now. I need some music. Forget to mention, my hair conditioner is actually very good. It's thick and straight. And because it's so thick, I have to wet it very regularly while I'm cutting, because it's going... I don't know if it's because of that, but sometimes I like to talk senseless things, but I think it's senseless. But in the end, it's like a complete new idea. I mean, look, you see it's just this outgrowing. You wanna see, guys? First layer I cut You wanna see? I think there's still some baby hair left from my neck. Just need to cut these. Two. Is this even? Naja, not 100%. Definitely not 100%. Left, so let's go on and open the sides. Ich bin ja gleich schon fertig, I'm ready. Sorry, I'm a little bit excited because I'm almost done. Last layer. I thought this is going to take very long, but it's not. If you start structure and plan, it's going to be very fast. This is the end result. Look how it became. It just still rest of my undercut here. It's actually quite annoying, but I don't care. I just live with it. I just accept it. Okay. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope you like the first video of 2020 from Sara on YouTube. I hope you guys don't forget to subscribe my channel, of course. If you don't do this, I'm mad. No, you don't need to do anything. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the subs. Thank you so much for the 1,000 followers and subscribers already. I thank you so much, and I can't wait to show you way more than I did already. Thank you so much, and have a great start into the new year.